those recipes that you know I like it a lot. With a few ingredients, very easy to make, and with an incredible flavor. Today we are going to make gambas al ajillo. You just need prawns, garlic, chili, and olive oil. Perhaps you may think that the main ingredient is prawns, but if I had to choose between eating a prawn or dipping the bread in the olive oil, I will choose dip the bread. So just remember these two things. Buy a good bread and use the best extra virgin olive oil that you can find. So guys, if you like these videos of Spanish cuisine, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also if you want, you can follow us on our Instagram account. So let's get started with the ingredients. This recipe couldn't be easier. We need 250 grams of prawns, chili flakes, 4 cloves of garlic, parsley, and as I told you in the intro, a good extra virgin olive oil. In preparing the ingredients for this recipe, we will not take more than 5 minutes. Wash and chop the parsley. Peel and cut the garlic into slices, as you can see, not very thin. Wash the prawns and dry with kitchen paper. I have already removed the intestines. Add a little salt. In a pan, we are going to add a generous amount of olive oil. Add the garlic and fry for a few minutes. Add the chili flakes. You can also use it whole. Adjust it to the amount of spiciness you like. And add the prawns. We are going to cook them for a few minutes. It will depend on the size of the prawns. About 3-5 minutes will be enough. Sprinkle the chopped parsley on top and voila, it's ready guys. And don't forget the bread. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you the next Wednesday in the next video. Bye bye!